Hey guys, I'm Shawn coming at you from Waco, Texas. Today we're going to learn how to play a Neil Young song called Such a Woman. Let's take a listen. All right, there's the intro for that song. Welcome everyone. Welcome all the people coming over to the site, to YouTube, to Facebook, who are discovering me for the first time. We have a lot of new people lately. Just wanted to welcome you over. Guys, this is our online piano community at webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. That's what I'm going to help you to do right now. Let's get to it. All right, so Neil Young. All right, I already did another Neil Young song today that had a really neat piano part. He just writes. He's one of those that's simplicity, but it's just gold. Everything he does. So that's one of these today. This is beginner level stuff. So if you are a beginner, welcome to this song. If you love this song and you're new to piano, you've picked the right lesson. You're at the right place. You've picked the right lesson. And I'm going to show you how to practice it. That's the other part of it. But if you pick something that's on your level and something you love, you've got it. You're right where you need to be, okay? So let's get to the board. You can see we have a Kawai MP11 SE in the studio today. My favorite stage piano by far. The only thing I like better is my acoustic Kawai at home, my grand piano. And then, sometimes I like this better because I get to play some really cool keyboard sounds that sound like authentic keyboard sounds of the 60s and 70s and so forth. All right, so we have the key of B flat here and left hand B flat way down here. So this is a C, next C down. There's the B flat octave I need. I just wrote one B flat, but I just do that to keep the board clean and simple. The left hand plays octaves so much, we're just going to write one letter, B flat. And the right hand will come in with F, D, F. See? F, D, F. It's a sixth, and it's 1, 5, 1. So do it once. And I wrote a 4 there, so it's 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea? Okay, easy enough. Hold the pedal down. Now we're going to move only the left hand up to a D octave and do the same thing in the right. 1, 2. Make sure you change the pedal when you change that left hand. Now move up a little more. The left hand's going to go to an E flat. Here's an E flat octave. The right hand just changes one note. You move the F to a G, but the D stays on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't rush. Sometimes when you have a repeated pattern in your hand, you'll start to rush. So stay steady. Don't rush that tempo. Left hand goes back to B flat, and the right hand's going to do a full B flat chord here. F on the thumb, B flat and D with 3 and 5, and you go. Okay, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we go straight to our F chord here. Change your pedal when you go to that chord. A and C with 2 and 4, then your thumb is F, left hand on an F octave. 2, 3, 4. So let's play all of it. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3. We go to D. Then to E flat. To B flat, to F. There we go. All right, guys. There's our part 1 lesson, and again, beginner level stuff. So it's just really fun to play, whether you are a real beginner or if maybe you're an advanced player and you just love this song. So that's great to play it too. So, guys, I hope you have fun with this. I really did. See you on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.